HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, then find and select the settings. Here from list of settings, let's choose system, then let's choose date and time right here, and as you can see here, you can automatically set date and the time zone, but you can also disable this automatic configuration and you can manually set your date, your time, and you can also choose your time zone if you would like to. You can search by using cities, countries and time zones. In my case, let me set automatically. As you can see here, you can also use dual clock to display two clocks when you are away from home, and you can set up your home city right here. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.